Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your followers on your Facebook. And now let's start writing. Now to hide your followers on your Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to log into the account on which you want to hide your followers. And after opening your account, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu or the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that menu or the three-lined icon, and over here guys, on the menu section of your account at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a settings icon available for us. Tap on that settings icon, and over here guys you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the followers and public content option available for us. Tap on that, and over here guys you can see there is the who can see your followers on timeline. Now in order to hide your followers permanently from everybody, tap on only me. The option will be available over here, and that will be updated instantly. And if you want to show your followers to your friends only and not public, then you can tap on friends, and then your followers will be available to your friends but not public. And to hide it permanently from everybody, tap on only me. And with that being done guys, this is how you hide your followers on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.